Dear friends, in this video, I'm going to give you the demo of IBim Ferrules at reference bolt location. You can see the new interface. We have made a few changes and now this application is very effective and user friendly. Let me walk you through the step-by-step process. Now you can see the ferrule here. It is actually reading this IBim ferrule. This is the replacement for face ferrules and ferrules custom component. This is actually the system component. And when you open the drop-down list, you can also see the component. Suppose if you want to use a different component, you can choose this. It will enable these two boxes. You can open the component catalog and then you can choose any other component. For example, let me take this face ferrule component and then it will give you the list of all the settings saved under this face ferrules. Let me change this one back to ferrule. Now you can see the type generic, ancon, read and nexus. When I choose ancon, it will show the list of ancon ferrules. Change it to read and nexus. When I select the size, it will automatically update the name. Let me go back to generic ferrule, and if I change the length and select any other text field, it will automatically update the name. What exactly it means, you don't have to type it manually. Here is the list for finish, and the ferrules come with predefined prefix and start number, but if you want to change, select this option yes, and then you can change the prefix and start number. Position, you have few options here. Auto, which means system will automatically read the cast unit form face and it will assign either near side, far side or both sides. If you don't want to assign the position, then you can choose this blank. If you want to assign to the near side, far side or both sides, you can choose the options accordingly. So this is the class. If you are going to add ferrules for propping, then select this option to yes. It will add the name prop as prefix. Let's see this application in action. So this is the reference bolt. You can see the properties and it runs from first panel to the second panel. Before I use this application, first you have to change the switch to select objects and components, and you have to change the configuration here. Let me select auto and click insert ferrules and pick these two panels one by one. Press the middle mouse and then select any one bolt. It will automatically add ferrules to the reference bolt. The reason why you have to do it before applying, because this is an application. So if you want to make any changes later on, you can just double click and open the ferrule component. Then you can make the modification. So you can also select all the ferrules together and use this application to modify. So here you can see this is the plate. And this is also a reference object. Let me open the application, insert ferrules and pick the panel, press the middle mouse and then select the reference object bolt. So this is how you should use this application. This will automatically assign the position. For example, let me select the ferrule, right click, user defined attributes. Now you can see the comment, product code, product description. And here is the position and type, and it will also add the ferrules as sub-assemblies. Let me select the panel as sub-assembly, right click and pressing the shift key, hide it. You don't see the ferrules. That indicates all the ferrules are already added as sub-assembly to the panel. So this is the advantage of using this application. When you start working in collaboration with steel detailer, most of the times you will be receiving the IFC model from them. In that case, you just have to align the ferrules exactly at the reference object board. It will be very time consuming. But with this application, it is just a matter of selecting the panels and reference bolt. And if you have any specific question, feel free to get in touch with me. And thank you for watching this video.